In this video, I'll be comparing Softr versus Stacker and tell you which of these tools may be best for you and your needs. So I'll go over what exactly they do, who they are for, and ultimately which one I would pick. So both of them are tools that allow you to create apps without needing to code. You can see, for example, Stacker makes it easy to build custom CRMs, internal tools, customer portals, and other business applications for your team. So they are not built to create software to sell or, for example, to create any customer-facing app, but they help you build internal business apps. So you can see the same thing on Softr, build custom business software without code. Now Softr integrates with a bunch of platforms such as Airtable, Notion, HubSpot, Google Sheets, Supabase, and a lot more different applications which you can use as your database. Now here you have a few examples of what you can do with Softr. So you can create, for example, a client portal, you can create CRMs, inventory, dashboards, forms, intranet, and more. Now they also have a bunch of templates that you can go off of, such as order management, employee directory, customer onboarding, sales KPI dashboard, and a bunch more. Now Stacker on their product, you can see it has a team workspace, flexible database, collaboration, portals, an app UI, and you can integrate and automate. In terms of Stacker's integrations, you can see it also integrates with, for example, Airtable and Google Sheets, and it integrates with over 6,000 applications. So overall, Stacker has quite a lot of integrations. So in terms of their primary use cases, Softr is best for example, client portals and other internal tools with a strong focus on Airtable and Google Sheets integrations. And it uses a modular, template-driven approach. Stacker, on the other hand, specializes in also turning, for example, Airtable and Google Sheets into more advanced internal business apps, such as, again, the CRM. And overall, Stacker is better for complex business apps with multi-user access control, and it's more database-centric. Now, in terms of pricing, on Stacker you can see all of their plans have flexible pricing, so you can get started for free, but you will need to talk to their sales team if you want to get the business or enterprise plan. In the pro plan you don't have to, but they are not very straightforward about how much it costs. Now Softr, on the other hand, if you want to pay monthly, they have a completely free plan where you can already publish one app and you will have these 5 data sources. You will have the same 5 in the basic plan at $59 per month, but here you can publish 3 apps and you will get some additional features. Now if you want to unlock more features and data sources or users, for example, then you can get the professional business or even enterprise plan. Now, the business plan is the most popular one at $323 per month. Now, if you pay yearly, it will go down to $269. So before going into the conclusion, let's go and take a look at their reviews. So you can see Stacker on G2 only has 10 reviews, so not that many, and they have a score of 4.5 stars out of 5. Now Softr does have a lot more reviews with 522, and they score 4.7 stars out of 5, so also they score slightly better. So which one should you pick? If you're looking to build a simple internal business app for your small to medium-sized business, and you want a more cost-effective and easier solution, then personally I would go with Softr. On the other hand, I would go with Stacker if you have a fast scaling or the large business and you want to have more customizability and more advanced options for if you do need to build out a more complex app. However, Stacker is also a bit harder to use and it will take more resources to set it up. Now, if you would like to get started with Softr, I'll leave a link to them down in the description where you can sign up completely for free and also launch your first app for free. So that concludes this comparison of Softr versus Stacker. If this comparison was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.